Hi everyone, it's Kat here, hope you're good. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some beautiful wire nursery name signs, just like this one. This one, it is in French mustard colour, but there's loads of different colours that I've used. There's also sage green, powder pink and magic mauve, all different ones that I have in my shop. Dolly sheep. Maybe you are expecting a new baby, which a lot of my customers are, then this is the video for you. Anyway, let's get into it. So you will need some 3mm aluminium wire, some 5mm braided cord. I've got loads of different colours, but this sage green is the first one I'm going to be using. And you can get this from Amazon. I actually have a shop that you can get it from on Amazon, and I'll link that below. You will need some needle nose pliers and some wire cutters, and then a glue gun as well. I'm really sorry about the state of this glue gun, but I've been using it a long time. So first of all, we're going to do Amelia. So I'm going to take this wire, open it out, and then I'm just going to pull out the inner part of this cord. And for this name, you're going to want to pull out quite a bit. So let's see if we can do that. Forgot to mention, you're actually going to need some scissors as well. Right, so all of this stuff, which can also be repurposed and used for stuffing or filling or something like that. Maybe some snow. When it's all wrinkled up like that, chop it off. Okay. And then the first one we're going to do, like I said, is Amelia. So this is going to be that one. So although it's a little bit kind of prickly, we're going to thread it through. I'm going to be doing this before the sun goes down, so I've only got a limited time to do these. I'm hoping I'm going to get them all done. Now we've done about 1.5 meters, and you can tell that the filling is now in the end of here. So I'm just going to cut this a little bit further, just to get a bit more length on this. And then pull the filling out. You can do this with a larger printed out font, so you can get it exact. I'm just gonna do this a little bit by eye. Then all we do is just glue that on and then kind of enclose that over. Then we're gonna do our A. And then we're going to do the E, so we're going to go around. And then the L. How pretty, I love this. It's gorgeous. Okay, this one is going to America with Sophia, and they're both going to be sage green. I love, 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 love that. And so when you're finished, then you're just going to chop that there. And cover. Someone asked me the other day how they get this bit neat, and it's just kind of like that. You can do it with your pliers as well. Just kind of like tap it around there and then it was all nice and neat. So there we have our Amelia. And the next one, we're going to do Sophia. Let me know which of these names you prefer. I quite like Delilah. It's really nice. You can't see this one, it says Aluna, which I've never heard before actually. I've heard of Luna, but I haven't heard of Aluna, so that's a new one for me. So pretty. These are actually on my Etsy shop if you want to order, or you can just make them yourself. And then we're going to do Eleanor, but she wants it in magic mode. There we are. Okay, Eleanor. So we have made all of these signs. I love them all. I think my favourite one's actually Amelia. This is such a popular name. I will link this and all the materials that you need below. If you want to know how to make a once upon a time sign, which is our most popular sign by far, then I will link the video just here for you. That's how you make that, and I will see you in that video.